Well, I decided to come out here to our deer lease and see if I can't catch something out of the pond. Sometimes when you got a tough time fishing everywhere else, sometimes you just need to catch a fish, and I think my chances are a little bit higher here at the pond. I think the water's warmed up more. This pond's kind of small, not too big, so hopefully the water's warmed up enough they want to bite pretty decently. But we caught a lot of bass out of here last year, so, and we threw them all back, obviously, so they should be here unless that cold front that came through, I don't know, back in January. I mean, it froze the river by my house, so I mean, I don't know what it'll do to the fish here. So only one way to find out is get bait in the water. So we'll see. On my way to the pond on our deer lease and found a shed. I will take that. Hopefully he's bigger next year. Man, he's pretty thick too. October can't get here quick enough now. I mean, he's not crazy big, but let's see what he grows into. I mean, I don't see his other one around here. I'm definitely gonna look for it though. This is just sitting right here. I'm, 50 yards from the pond, so nice find there. Usually this rock right here is in the water. At least it's somewhere to stand. I'm gonna lose this crankbait, I know it. I just didn't feel like retying something right away. I don't usually throw crankbaits in ponds. But hey, gotta try something. Usually that end over there is pretty deep. Well, the deeper side of the pond, I'd have to say anyways. Grassier side too, it looks like. Man, this wind is crazy. I'm gonna change it up here. I'm gonna try to throw this worm. Last time I came out here, had pretty good luck with it, so. I mean, this water's pretty shallow. It's down probably a foot and a half from what it usually is. So hopefully this rain coming up will help with that, but we'll see. See if something wants to bite this. Maybe we'll get lucky. Come on, it's been a long winter. I know you're hungry. Try to get to it without getting in this tree. Need to clear a lot of this stuff out here too. I like to be able to fish off that other bank over there. Just in the middle where the deeper spot is. Usually catch them right here around this tree. When the water's up right here where these rocks are, usually you can't see any of that. Catch them right here by the bank, but I don't know. Just the combination of the weather, how low the water is, stuff like that. I'm gonna hop to this rock here. I might be able to cast. Yeah, there we go. I can cast a lot better. So I was walking. I walked all the way around to my stand just to see if maybe he dropped it somewhere around there. And I kid you not, found this one right here. And somehow I missed this one right here. So, got a matching set here. He's gonna be a decent boy next year, that's for sure, or this coming year. I mean, he's pretty thick right through here. I'm a pretty big dude. I got a pretty big hand, so I mean, just for scale, that's pretty decent size. He's thick, healthy. Bunch of healthy bucks out here. We've been able to take a couple really nice ones out of here. So finding these, matching set. I mean, God, they were 20 yards apart. I don't know how I didn't just stop and turn around and look and see if I could even see the other one. But glad I found the other one. My boy's gonna be happy to put these in his room. Man, he bit that kind of slow. I didn't think I had one there for a second. Nice. First fish of 2026. Oh, nice healthy bass. Still cold too. Man, he barely ticked that, and then I was like, well, did I get a bite? And I kind of raised up and he was still in there, but I kind of fished a little bit over here. Didn't catch anything. I guess that's the turtle's corner. Maybe the fish are staying away, but what a nice healthy fish. Beautiful. I'm gonna throw him back here. I know there's bigger ones in here. Whoa, you're going the wrong way, buddy. There you go. Whew. Thank you, Lord. Oh, got another one, man. Oh, he got off. Man, he ran all the way across the pond and he got off. Bad hook set. Oh, man, that sucks. Man, just lost that pretty decent sized one. Right over there. They're right in his mouth, too. I ain't gonna get him back. He ran it all the way across the pond, spit it out. Ah, that's unfortunate. Man, he would have been a nice one too. Oh, there's one. There's one. Threw that one right in his mouth too. You got one too? Let's go. Woo. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Man, beautiful fish. Man, so blessed to be out here. Get it out of here. And that's a heck of a hook set. Oh, buddy, I'm gonna try to do it without hurting you. Yep.
Kai was using a, ooh, almost took on your pole. Kai was using a little 6-inch worm.
Who got? Yeah, yours is way bigger, man.
Look at that. Good stuff, man.
Man, that's a nice bass. I was getting a little worried I wasn't going to catch anything today. I'd thrown in a few times before Will got here. Turns out it's not the case. Guess they just want to be over there in the sun where the shallow's at. Makes me wonder, I threw in almost the exact same spot as I lost that other one, but he came off halfway across the pond. I wonder if there's a few just laying over there. I mean, I doubt he swam back and was that big of a hurry to bite it again. I'm telling you, man, you throw in a 6-inch worm on a pond, hard to beat it. Everybody's got their favorites, but I'm telling you, this might be mine. Hard to beat it. Anytime I'm struggling, I know I can throw one of these on and I feel like I have a pretty good shot. No way, I stopped reeling and literally, he came off. I stopped reeling, I was just gonna reel my line in and he was just sitting there on it. Good grief, I didn't even have him hooked. That was a nice size one too, just right here. Boy, this one hit it hard. Whew. Took some of that drag, boy. Started screaming there for a second. Yeah, that one's nicer. Nicer than the other ones I caught. Man, I'm telling you, that is just awesome. These fish are so healthy. I mean, look how thick he is. Nice fish. Love doing this. You're gonna make me get out there, aren't you? Yeah, I should throw you back farther. I just didn't want to launch you there, bud. There you go. Nice bass there. He grabbed that and ran. Love it when they do that. Can't beat it. Gosh, what a great day out here. See if I can't replicate it. Trying to get to that spot over there, but it's hard to cast. So I'm trying to get over there, but it's a little bit hard to cast over here. There we go.
You had your branch where it's soft.
Yeah, I know, I meant to bring it.
You should have brought your kayak out here, put it in, and kayaked over there and put some branches on.
My luck, I would have put my kayak in to do that. I would have dropped a snake on my head or something. This is what works out here. That's where I wanted to be. See if it pays off.
These could all be bass eggs. They could be perch eggs.
I doubt he's moved any.
Where at? You want me to catch him?
Ah, see what I can do.
I did not think the rooster tail would be this big of a hit.
Something shiny. They do like the shiny. Well guys, that's probably going to do it for this video. We kind of wore them out a little bit. I think Will caught like 6 or 7. I caught about 5. Had a slow start to the morning. I was able to find those sheds over there, which that kind of made it pretty nice. I thought, well, at least if I don't catch fish, I found some sheds. Probably going to be doing some more videos here pretty quick. Now that the weather's warming up, we're going to be fishing a lot more, and we're going to go check out a little pond on the other side of the lease. It's not too big. Access point's a little rough as well. Will mentioned that too. There's only like really 2 spots you can stand and cast, but I've only ever caught small bluegill out of it, so we'll see if there's any bass there. But if you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe, and look forward to more videos. Thanks for watching.